जब टूटने लगे हौसला तुम्हारा तो ये याद रखना, बिना मेहनत के हासिल तक तो ताज नहीं होते, बिना मेहनत के हासिल तक तो ताज नहीं होते। ढूंढ लेना मंजिल अपने अंधेरों में ही दोस्तों, ढूंढ लेना मंजिल अपनी अंधेरे में ही दोस्तों, क्योंकि जुगनू कभी रोशनी के मोहताज नहीं होते, क्योंकि जुगनू कभी रोशनी के मोहताज नहीं होते। Hello, good evening, good morning everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine, and I am also fine. So I want to share my story. It's not a inspirational story, but I think it will be a inspirational story of others, because I'm from a middle class family. In my family, no one girl is more educated than me, and before I started my educational, so all family members want to stop me, but I never want to stop, and not want to sit idle in the house, because I can't sit in a house, and because I have a different mind, and in my family every people different from me, and I and all people and me never communicate each other. Whenever I want to ask anything to them and I want to talk to them, I will always लड़ाई हो जाती है
I always have fight.
I always have fight. So I only want to sit alone in the house, but I always want to meet other people of outside, and I always want to wander outside places. I love this, and when I was in school, I was a very studious person, and also I'm in good in any art, like stitching and art and craft and mehndi. I always want to that I will become a teacher. When I was in 8th class, I have so many ideas that one day I will become like that, a good teacher, also a fashion designer and a doctor. I have so many ideas that I was good in every field at that time. Whenever I was in 12th class, no, I was in 10th class, so I decided that i I will become a doctor, because I was very good in science, but my teacher told me that if you are not able to in a financial condition, so you can skip this. Whenever I thought about my family, because they were not able to teach me, so I skipped my this idea. But as I say as I said that I was in good in every field, so I chose another option. I want that I will be study in commerce side, but my brother told me that it was not good for you, it was very hard, so I also skipped. But I never want to sit in the house, so I chose another option that I will so I chose art side in 12th class, because I don't want to sit idle in the house, so I chose art side in 12th. Whenever I completed my 12th, so I I saw that what will happen to me, because I always want other things, but for the some reason I can't do that. So I skipped many more things which I have most interest. I always dream that I will become a fashion designer, but it never comes true. But I'm also hope that one day I will become a fashion designer also. But in my education, I when I was in a BA, so I I went to get admission in BA, and when I was in BA, so I did not know about psychology, but my teacher forced me that you are a good student. I saw your percentage and you are very intelligent, so you can choose psychology. I said, no, ma'am, I don't know what it is psychology. But she told me, you know, you can choose that. So I chose that subject. After that, I studied about this. So I now I have so much knowledge about that, and I feel it was a good decision that I can achieve anything and everything about from this. So after I completed my bachelor degree, I also have a fear that what I will do, because my family never understand don't understand what actually I want, and I and anytime I can't say to them what I want, because I all I already know the situation is different from me, and it is not happen, because if you want to do something else, and you already know it is very costly, so if you are a family person, so you skip, because you never force to your parents. So I also did this, and I chose I I want to that I got admission in B.Ed, but for financial situation I skipped. I chose MA. So I I got admission in masters in Nehru College, and I completed my master's degree, and now I also have a dif- difficulty that what I do, because my all family members denied me. It is enough. What will you do for education? It is enough. But I stubborn that no, I did not sit. So I convinced my parents that uh, I want to get admission in a distance. I I will not go regular, but I want to teach something. I want to learn something else, because इतना कर लिया है तो मैं अब रुक नहीं सकती. So I got admission in a PG diploma in guidance. So now I am pursuing, and I always have a fear that I did not talk it to other person. All I am good in my educational, but whenever I want to talk other person, and because of English, I I suffered from that. I have very difficulties. So before some months, I decided that I forget everything. I want to focus on my learning English. So I started this. I started my English journey, and I joined this institute, and I hope that one day I will be a good speaker, and one day I will be talk each other in English very, very confidently and fluency. So that's my story. Thank you.